Welcome, mortals. Today, I shall impart upon you my wisdom on how to ascend as a leader and wield the power of leadership. From my epic journey spanning across realms, from the Greek pantheon to the Norse realms, I have honed my skills as a leader and conquered the most formidable challenges. First, let us embrace the teachings of the Spartan culture. To be a leader, one must lead by example. Just as I wielded the blades of chaos, I exhibited unyielding strength and resilience, showing my comrades the path to victory. 2. Effective communication is vital, just as it was during my encounters with the gods. I spoke with conviction, ensuring that my allies understood my intentions and rallied behind me. Speak clearly, for words have the power to shape destinies. 3. Empowerment, a principle I have learned in the Norse realms, holds great significance. Trust in your allies, delegate tasks, and witness their potential blossom. Like Atreus, my boy, who grew from a mere companion to a warrior in his own right. 4. Adaptation, the essence of survival. In my journey I have faced innumerable trials, confronting beasts and gods alike. Adapting to the ever-changing tides is the key to leading through turbulent times. 5. Emotional intelligence, a trait that was not inherent in my Spartan upbringing. Yet in the Norse realms, I learned the importance of empathy and understanding. Leaders must possess this trait to forge unbreakable bonds with their allies. 6. In the realm of decision-making, I have made choices that altered the course of history. Just as I chose to defy the gods and seek vengeance, leaders must gather information, analyze, and make decisions that will shape their destinies. 7. Inspiration and motivation are the lifeblood of leadership. By acknowledging the strengths of my companions, by recognizing their triumphs, I fostered an environment where they believed in themselves. A leader must ignite the flames of greatness within their followers. 8. A leader never ceases to learn. From Athena's teachings to Mimir's wisdom, I have embraced continuous learning. Keep your mind open to new perspectives, seek knowledge from the world around you, and let it shape your leadership style. 9. Building strong relationships is as crucial as the strength in one's arm. In the lands of the Norse, I forged alliances that endured even in the face of chaos. Understand your allies, show gratitude, and create an environment where trust thrives. 10. Lastly, humility. My past is riddled with arrogance, but through my journey, I have come to realize the value of humility. No leader knows everything. Be willing to admit your mistakes, to learn from others, and to become something greater than yourself. These 10 tips, forged through my own harrowing journey, shall guide you in your quest for leadership. May they inspire you to become a leader worthy of legend. Now go forth, mortals, and carve your path to greatness.